Well, folks, in today's video, I got a new model train. This is a BC Rail -9, and it's weathered, which I don't like weathered locomotives, but it was a super good deal. So I'm gonna try to de-weatherize it, which I googled it, I did research. You can de-weatherize a locomotive, so we might have to get paint remover, but I don't think we should. I don't like when they tape the bubble wrap because you can never get it open. Actually, it's not bad. This thing is massive. Oh, but this is always bad. Oh, there goes the truck. Nice. This thing is huge. See, like, look at that. Ew. I don't like weathering. The seller did claim it runs, and not only runs, but runs well. So, I hope he's not. Oh, that's good. That's a good runner right there. Okay, so I'm in the bathroom right now trying to scrub out some of this thing because if I did the, the alcohol, it was working, but it would have probably taken me, no joke, all day. So we got some dish soap on a sponge and I'm letting it sit in really hot water. And it's actually doing really good. Ranger, hi. What you doing? Alright, it's about a day later, and, well, it's the same day, but about 6 hours later, and I did not get the paint off. So, this is how it looks. Pretty good, actually. I'm looking at it, it actually looks really good. So, the only thing I don't like is I had to get rid of the numbers right here because it looked like garbage. So, yeah, that's the only bad thing. But, so, the shell's done. It's got some of that nasty dirt junk stuff on it. So, we gotta see if we can rub it off, hopefully with rubbing alcohol. If not, yeah, it's not gonna be good. Which it's already looking out like it's gonna do it. When you have problems, Sharpie will save the day with the silver marker. I just found it at the bottom of my paint box. Oh my gosh. I think the world is ending upstairs, so. Like, be honest, can you tell? Like, could you tell it was there? Obviously this, I gotta find the other one, but still, I think it looks pretty good. What do we think? All done. I think it looks pretty good. Alright, so now the shell and all the cosmetics are complete, but now we gotta work on this. This is gonna be our biggest thing. Kinda. We gotta just service this, so yeah. Right, so first we're gonna clean up the commutator, and we're gonna take our fiberglass pencil and just polish it up, because this commutator is looking pretty dirty. So we're gonna take a toothpick and get the toothpick between the gaps on the commutator, because the brushes tend to wear down and the gaps fill up with carbon, and if you don't clean them out, it could mess with your motor and sometimes even burn it up. So we're just going to have to add a bit of oil. Alright, well, I think it's time to, let's make sure. Put the shell back on. Oh man, I just gotta find, so we have the coupler here, And there was like a screw. Well, folks, I got it up on the track, and the only thing I don't like is how when it got painted, not by me, but the BC rail got kind of rubbed off. So I might have to repaint that in the future with like a blue and red pen or something. But let's test it out. I got some freight cars, and yeah. Oh, that's actually good. Smoother than the Dash 9. We got a light still, right? Oh, I don't see it. Well. Well, folks, I truly hope you all enjoyed this video. Make sure to leave a like and subscribe. I mean, there's a few flaws like there and there, but it's pretty good. So, I hope you all enjoyed. Make sure to leave a like and subscribe, and punch out.